Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and surprisingly intricate world of rubber bands. Ever wondered exactly how these stretchy little loops, so ubiquitous in our daily lives, are made? Well, get ready, because we're going to take a detailed look at the entire process. From the very beginning stages to the finished product, and explore the surprisingly high and consistent demand for these humble, yet incredibly useful items. Our journey of discovery begins with a specialized piece of equipment, the rubber tube extrusion machine. This is truly where the magic, as some might call it, starts to unfold. The machine meticulously takes raw rubber, a versatile material with remarkable properties, and, through a precisely controlled process of both heat and pressure, skillfully shapes it into long, continuous tubes. Think of it, perhaps, like a giant, industrial-grade Play-Doh extruder, but one designed specifically for crafting high-quality rubber. These extruded tubes are, quite literally, the fundamental building blocks, the very foundation, of our familiar rubber bands. Once the rubber tubes have been efficiently extruded, the next crucial step in the manufacturing process is the precise and delicate cutting phase. The rubber tube extrusion machine is, thankfully, also ingeniously equipped with a highly sophisticated cutting mechanism. This cutting mechanism is responsible for meticulously slicing the continuous rubber tubes into the individual, small bands we all know so well, and use so frequently. The degree of precision achieved in this cutting process is absolutely paramount. It directly ensures that each and every single band is not only the correct size, but also, and more importantly, possesses the necessary and desirable elasticity, without which the band would be virtually useless. It's almost like a miniature surgical procedure, but one performed on rubber, ensuring each band meets the exacting requirements for use. Now, let's turn our attention to the topic of demand. Rubber bands might, at first glance, appear to be a rather simple and unassuming product. However, their applications and uses are, in reality, incredibly diverse and widespread. They are, in fact, absolutely essential in a multitude of environments, especially in stationery shops, where they are utilized extensively for organizing a wide array of documents, and for keeping various items neatly and efficiently tidy. Just think for a moment about all of the pens, pencils, paper clips, and assorted papers that require bundling, organizing, and securing. Rubber bands are, without a doubt, the unsung heroes of office organization, working tirelessly behind the scenes. But the demand for rubber bands doesn't simply stop there, of course. Banks, too, rely very heavily on these small but mighty loops. They employ them in a variety of ways to bundle together stacks of cash, to securely fasten and organize essential documents, and to generally keep everything in perfect, functional order. In the fast-paced, high-pressure environment of a bank, efficiency and organization are, of course, absolutely key to success. And rubber bands, surprisingly, play a significant and indispensable role in helping to achieve both. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for a rubber band, perhaps to secure a package or organize your desk, take a moment to reflect on the journey it undertook to reach your fingertips. From the initial raw rubber, carefully processed and extruded, to the precisely cut and perfectly formed band, the entire process is a true testament to clever, thoughtful engineering and design. The rubber tube extrusion machine itself is a vital and indispensable piece of equipment, and its importance in this process cannot be overstated, and the consistently high demand from both stationery shops and banks serves to highlight the enduring, reliable, and undeniable usefulness of this simple, yet incredibly essential, product. Thank you very much for watching.